Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about something many TikTok users have been asking about, how to enable direct message on TikTok. It's a simple process and I will walk you through it step by step. So let's dive right in. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from your app store. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This is where you can manage your TikTok settings. In your profile, you will see three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Among the options given here, you will have to choose settings and privacy. Now scroll down and find privacy section. Here's where you can control who can interact with you on TikTok. Look for messaging options. It might be set to friends or no one by default. On the screen, you can see messaging option at the top. Click on it and you can see who can send you messages. Everyone, suggested friends, and no one. To enable direct messages, simply tap on this option. You can choose everyone if you want to receive messages from all TikTok users. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled direct messages on TikTok and now you can chat with anyone you would like to. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful TikTok tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.